Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. First thing first, open the Cash App on your device. On the home screen, tap Bitcoin icon at the bottom. Then tap Buy Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and select your order type like one-time order, which is instant, and recurring orders, which daily, weekly or bi-weekly, or auto purchases. To review the order summary including amount of Bitcoin, exchange rate, and fees. If everything looks good, tap Confirm. Authenticate with your PIN, Touch ID or Face ID, and your Bitcoin will now be added to your Cash App balance visible in the Bitcoin tab. Just a pro tip, you can also deposit Bitcoin from an external wallet by tapping Deposit Bitcoin in the Bitcoin tab and copying your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.